The Honeywell TPFIT50PWK Dehumidifier is a remarkable addition to any home, offering efficient moisture control for spaces up to 4,000 square feet. This model is equipped with a built-in pump that can drain condensation up to 15 feet away, providing incredible convenience for users. Its newly introduced laundry and auto comfort modes allow for tailored operation, ensuring optimal performance whether drying clothes or maintaining room comfort. Honeywell has prioritized safety and quality, subjecting this dehumidifier to 11 rigorous safety checks, giving users peace of mind. As an ENERGY STAR certified device, it promises superior energy savings while being environmentally friendly. Maintenance is straightforward with features like a detachable tank, washable dust filter, and a continuous drain tube, making it stress-free for homeowners.